Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screw and slide the base cover off the system to remove it. Identify the hard drive module. Press the blue tabs to unlatch it. Lift the module out of the system. Find the wireless module. Remove the screw. Remove the plastic tab to access the antenna cables. Disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system, connect the WLAN antenna cables, place the plastic tab to secure the cables, tighten the screw to secure it, relatch the hard drive module to the system. Slide the base cover back on the system and tighten it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.